Albuquerque students have no superintendent, so who will be hired until they find one?
That was the topic of today's special meeting of the school board. Members discussed the final application for an interim superintendent, which they posted tonight. They plan to start interviewing candidates as soon as possible and could hire someone this week. There was also talk that hiring a permanent superintendent could take up to a year. But still no answers on the mysterious resignation of former superintendent Winston Brooks.
Even more mysterious, Brooks' wife is named in the settlement agreement. Tonight, Action 7 News reporter Regina Reese talks to a legal expert about why that's so unusual.
Including a spouse is not a standard term of an employment settlement agreement.
Employment attorney Whitney Warner often deals with settlement agreements. She's not involved in the Winston Brooks case, but has insight on why the settlement may include the former superintendent's wife and Brooks.
It looks to me that there was a specific negotiation in which she was included as a person who the board promises not to bring any claims against.
Warner points out an interesting aspect of the settlement.
It's a little bit unusual that the releases wouldn't be exactly the same on both sides.
APS agrees it won't sue Brooks or his wife. Brooks agrees he won't sue APS. But Warner explains the settlement does not say Ann Brooks releases claims against the district, meaning she could sue if she had some type of claim.
I don't know that she has any claims to bring, but she's not mentioned in the release of claims against the district.
Warner explains there are some general reasons an employer includes a spouse in a settlement.
Sometimes the spouse has a lot of information that they've received from the employee about what the work environment was like, the reasons for separation, and they may have some personal feelings or even a lot of animosity towards the former employer.
The settlement does say none of the parties can talk badly about each other. Reporting in Albuquerque, Regina Ruiz, Action 7 News.